Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can remove index.php in WordPress. As you can see, this is my service page and here you can see index.php. So now we will remove this. First we need to go our WordPress dashboard, and then on the left panel here you can see settings. Hover on this, and on the right side click on permalink, and then you will see multiple permalink structure. We are gonna choose this post name because this is SEO friendly permalink and currently it's custom structure. So let's select post name and scroll down and click save changes. Okay, now let's check our page and reload the page, and here you go. So we have successfully removed the index.php. So this is how you can remove index.php in WordPress URL. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button.